now pupunta kami sa Barrio Garden Grove. Yan. So doon kami mag-dinner for today. May barbecue, may chicken barbecue of course. Para siyang Filipino food. Ito yung pinakamalapit na pwede namin puntahan bago kami pumunta sa Ross, as per request ng aking asawa, kasi may mga bibilin daw siya. So yung driving naman dito okay rin naman kasi nasa bandang city pa siya. Tapos yung dalawa ron kanina pa nag-iingay. Ito yung aking asawa. Hello. So
wala ko inaantok-antok kasi 7 a.m.
Yeah.
9 p.m.
9 p.m. na. Yung body clock namin pang 9 p.m. Pero dito mga
alas 7 pa lang.
So ayan yung lugar. So alas 7. Body clock na pang 9 p.m. Ano masabi mo sa tulog?
Bitin nga, kaya pala ako antok na antok.
Bakit?
Siyempre parang sanay ako natutulog ng 7 to 9, parang gano'n.
So ayun, may Starbucks pa ron.
Starbucks ulit tayo.
It's Mommy, I think I see the restaurant.
Ito, yun, yung may ilaw na yun.
Mommy, I will show them. Won't you please? So the restaurant is right there, Daddy. Daddy, can you edit this and zoom in? It's right there, Daddy. That one. Where is it? Here's that one. That's the restaurant. Wait, okay, this is a bell. Come on, please. The restaurant. And we're just in the park.
Yan. So okay, dito na kami sa may Garden Grove ba yun? Basta yung Barrio Garden Grove. There you go. Ayun, ito. Ito, yung barbecue na yan. So kuha na lang tayo ng upuan. Ikaw? Hello po.
Rice, please. That comes with rice, right? Chicken.
So ayan, dito kami sa may barbecue. Sa may Filipino one. So ayan. So ito na yung ano namin, dinner. Ayan, tapos si Arya yun naglalaro doon. What you have your Alfredo?
Hot.
Hot? Ayan, si Rizzy. Kain na. 7:51 in the evening. So bali ngayon, pupunta kami sa Ross. So bibili siya ng mga gamit niya. Tapos ngayon nga pala right now medyo mahangin. So hindi ka rin pwede mag-rely dito sa weather. Kasi pag umaga, mainit. Pero pagdating ng gabi, medyo mahangin na. So yung vibes dito parang Malatian Disita sa Pilipinas. Look at that. Are you busog? Yeah? Oh, tatalon-talon na naman si Arya.
Arya, no jumping!
May susuka na naman yan.
To look for your daddy because I was.
Good morning. So good morning. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. So today we are going sa Universal Studio naman. Mag-whole day kami kaya itong backpack namin is fully loaded na. So may pampers dito si Arya, mga shades ng mga bata, then sunscreen, wipes, chargers nandito na. Tapos dito magbabaon kami ng maraming tubig kasi sobrang init. So ito, lalagyan ko dito ng tubig at saka yung pagkain. And then ito naman, yung portion na to is yung mga t-shirt. Lalo na pag may mga bata kang kasama, kailangan mo ng maraming t-shirt saka loaded na pagkain kahit tubig. Kasi right now talaga dito sa Los Angeles sobrang init. Kaya yun. Okay guys, papunta lang kami sa Universal Studio. And kapag meron kang mga batang dala, so yan yung backpack, handy dandy backpack, para na akong si Dora. So lahat ng kailangan namin nandiyan dyan na tubig, tinapay, sombrero, damit, extra. Ayan na. So we are all set. Outfit check para akong mag-hiking. Ayan. So we're set to go. Girls, let's go now.
Okay.
Oh, iwanan mo na si Nilo and Stitch. Say bye-bye to Nilo and Stitch. Okay. Oh, yung ano pala mo, baka makalimutan natin yan ah. Ayan.
Guys, look at this is wait, I'll fill it up with a little bit of cold water. Or
Wag na, doon na lang natin lagyan.
Everybody.
Yes. Oy, amigos. Amigos, halika na rito, amiga.
What amigos?
I don't know. So dito rin pala no sa Los Angeles, mostly ang nandito mga Mexicano or Mexican. Kaya puro Spanish, almost Spanish yung salita nila rito. And ayan, look. Ayan oh, look at that. So ayan, so pupunta na kami ng Universal Studio and we're going to spend there full day na. It's going to be a 1-hour drive. Tapos hanggang 7 PM lang naman yung Universal Studio. And yan, doon tayo punta. Sama kayo.
Time.
Look at that. My millennial wife.
Yes, I know.
Look at that. Oh, Utididi.
I know.
Let me see.
I know.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, let's go now. Alright, so nandito na kami sa Universal Studio parking lot.
Ang taray ng parking lang.
Kaya nga eh, akala mo parang ano eh, border eh.
Naiwan eh.
Akala mo border eh.
Anak,
No, it's not a movie theater. Yan o, parking lot.
Kano nakita mo?
Hindi ko nga alam, mga siguro around $40.
Ano?
40 siguro. Budget kang 40. Yan. So after 1 hour and 30 minutes.
I'm cold.
Yan, dito na kami. And ano lang ngayon? It's around 10:50 in the morning.
Kasi akin may damit ko.
So chill lang yung ano namin, yung drive namin, hindi siya masyadong stressful. Yan.
I'm cold at the
Yan. So pagpasok siguro nito, diyan na kami magpo-parking, kaya nga parking area eh. Just to have a reference, yung parking lot pag sa front is $70. Tapos may tinatawag silang preferred parking which is $50 for the whole day. Ano naman yun? Yung malapit sa faster and closer parking. Tapos pag general parking will be $35. Saan tayo, madam? 50? 50 ngayon tapos 35 bukas.
Siguro.
Okay, yan. So paparking kami sa $50. Yan, dun sa mas malapit. Kasi ngayong araw na to mag-whole day kami rito para malibot namin yung Universal Studio. Ang mahal ng parking.
Yeah, dito ka nga daw tatagain sa mga parking lot talaga.
Grabe ba?
Wala kasi
Ayan.
nakita nila dito, parkingan pa lang.
Parking lot pa lang eh, no? Sheesh!
Ano, preferred tayo?
Preferred mo na muna ngayon.
Yeah, you did. You did.
Preferred parking lot?
Yeah. Ito yung preferred parking lot na mas malapit sa harap na mismo ng Universal Studio. Ayan oh. Saan tayo ngayon? Parking. Magkaiba talaga sila.
Prepared parking din.
And then it hooded.
Saan? Dito?
Alam ko
Ay,
dito.
hindi. Ito eh. Pag ano no? Tataas eh.
Yeah, prepared parking. Dito? There, ayun no, prepared parking.
Go straight. Okay.
Prepared parking.
Diretso pa.
Oo. Kasi yun na Universal Studio.
Saan?
Ayan, prepared
How about
parking.
small?
Hindi, diretso pa raw.
Dad, mag-prepared parking ka na lang. Ako na lang magpapayag ng
15?
additional $15. Puti, ang layo oh.
Oo nga no.
Oh.
Baka dito si Hollywood mo.
Oh, dito.
Wala. Joke lang.
Ayan.
Ay, gagol na. Gus.
Oh my God!
Continue.
Oh my God! Ang laki ng Universal Studio.
I think I see.
Dito tayo.
Vlogging.
Ay, ito pala. Dito sa unahan. Oh. Preferred parking. Ito. Ayun o. Papunta rito.
Yan, prepared parking. Oh, Universal Studio. Mag-picture tayo dyan. Frankenstein parking. Woohoo.
Ride up? Ano to? Kahit saan? Alright, so dito na kami sa loob ng Universal Studio. So kakumpisa pa lang namin, dami namin challenge but dahil sa mga bata, away ng away. So dito kami sa mismong loob. Bali sila kasi dito sa loob ng store. Ang gagawin namin ngayon, tatargetin namin yung Minions, Harry Potter, and then Mario Brothers. So along the way na maanohan namin, mahagipin namin, pipicture na lang namin kasi sobrang dami ng tao. Actually ito, Friday pa lang to, okay naman eh, which is good naman. Ayan, we're going to spend the whole day na lang dito. It's open 9 AM to 7 PM. So buong araw kami rito. Kung may mamimintis kami, 2-day pass ang ginawa namin. So babalikan na lang namin siya bukas. So sa ilalim nito, meron kaming bote ng tubig, stock ng tubig at saka mga tinapay na dinala. Para at least mamaya, dire-diretso lang kami. Tapos nag-stock kami ng maraming ice water sa backpack ko, kaya malaki yan. Kasi dito, mahal yung mga bilihin, kaya yun ang diniskarte muna namin ngayon. Tapos malapit yung parking namin dito. Yun know, nga lang kami kamahalan $50. So bali bumili kami ng isang bote ng soda, refillable siya for the whole day. Sorry, if we come back tomorrow, do I have to purchase again for $12?
Yes, it'll be $12 and then it'll be free as well.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Hello.
There you go.
Oh, that's me. It's fine.
So yan, bumili kami noon, nag-purchase kami noon for $19. Refillable drink na siya. Bumili lang kami ng isa. Pagbabalik kami bukas, additional $12 na lang. So refillable yung mga drinks nila rito. So there you go. Magaling ka talaga. Magaling ka.
Nabasa ko sa Haxi.
Nabasa mo ba sa Hax?
Wala lang akong nakita dyan sa Disneyland. Wala lang akong nakita.
Refillable.
Yeah, plus bukas, dalhin natin ulit yan. $12 lang.
Yun nga eh.
Then refillable ulit.
So yan, may tubig tayo, only. Tapos meron din tayong tubig na refillable na Coke. Tapos may ice pa.
Yes.
Pwede. Ayos. Susulitin natin yan. So what's going on? So good? Okay, yung mahilig, yung ano ko mahilig sa ride. There you go. Yeah. Thank you. Ayan. So, ito, naparide kami dito ni Arya. Dalawa lang kami, oh. Look, this is my ride buddy. Ayan. Dito kami sa may Minion World. Whee! Most likely, hinahanap na tayo ni Mami. Hello! There you go. Ayaw ni Arya ng ano, picture eh. Gusto niya mga rides. Okay daw, sabi ni Arya.
Welcome back, you silly swirlers. At this time, everyone, please stay seated. Remain seated.
It's around 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Guys, you know my dad? If it's the afternoon, he didn't eat it. Every man's hair is straight.
Yeah?
But since my dad said his hair is originally curly, look at his legs. And he put the camera into your legs. Look at its legs. It's so big. And look at this one. There's no hair on this.
Alright, so...
If you grow your mustache, then
So, it's around 5 o'clock. Dito pa rin kami. Siguro tatapusin namin to until 7 p.m. So, nasulit na namin yung mga rides namin. Sobrang amazing. Especially si Laisha, si Arya.
Is there something happening today? What is it? Did you just get married? Did you just graduate college? Did you just buy a new house? You got a new job? What is it? What are you celebrating? It's your birthday? Today? Today's your birthday. No, it's not today. When's your birthday? August what? August 13th? That was like a week ago. That was over a week ago. And you still celebrate? The party's still going on? You didn't invite the donkey? How come I wasn't invited to your birthday party? You didn't invite donkey? No.
Title location for St. Denis Medical. Now look where we're headed. Or should I say when we're headed? We're taking a trip back to the future into Courthouse Square, Hill Valley, in the Back to the Future films. We're going to hear now from one of the stars of those movies, Leah Thompson, and one of the writers and producers of the Back to the Future films, Bob Gale.
Welcome to the Courthouse Square. These sets were used to create Hill Valley in the Back to the Future films.
And they represented multiple time periods, 1985, 1955, and the far, far distant future, 2015. To this day, this is one of the most popular sets on the Universal Studio Tour.
We had a lot of fun making those films here on the lot. I wonder what it'd be like to go back to those days. If only we had a time machine.
Hey everybody, do you think we can get this tram up to 88 miles per hour? See you in the future.
Thunder and lightning, and now we get some rain. Well, this isn't so bad. The flash flood warning. Uh-oh, on the left, a flash flood. Heading straight for the tram. Take cover. Al and I were having Right, once again, glasses are not needed. You can see all the details. I can think the cast and crew, I think they've gone home for the weekend. They'll be back Monday to resume their filming. And everyone's inside. That's what my little California photos used to get all the time.
Looking for dinosaur, easy.
Overwhelmed them. Greetings, humans. I am Optimus Prime. My Autobots and I are here searching for the Allspark, and we must find it before Megatron and his Decepticons. Fate rarely calls upon us at a moment of our choosing. But are you ready to join the Autobot army? You sound ready, and so am I. Nest team, send in the first recruits.
good. Yan o. Alright. And so, alis na kami. Punta na kami na sa Hollywood sign, tapos Walk of Fame. Kasi halos tapos na rin namin. Nasulit na namin dito at hindi na kami babalik bukas. Almost lahat ng ride na na cover namin. And it's going to be a good one. How was it?
Good. Kasi yung dalawang extra. It was so fun. And then I was a brown dog. And then he was a light brown.
May dalawang express na pass na binigay sa amin ng libre. So parang yun yung card namin para makakat ng line, which is nakasave kami ng mas maraming oras. Yan. It worked as planned kasi pagdating bukas, Sabado, mas marami. Nagkaroon kami ng extrang oras. Nagkaroon kami ng extrang araw. Yeah. So, kung pupunta ka dito sa Universal Studio, susulitin mo siya dapat at least the whole day. And it's around 6:30. Yan, 6:30. And magsasara na to ng 7 PM. So, Starbucks muna kami.
Guys, ito na po yung Walk of Fame. Nakikita nyo na yan. Diyos ko Lord. Kala ko pa naman, ito dati may parkingan dito 8 PM. Swerte naman itong Escalade na to, nakahanap. O homeless. Pero may aso ka ate. O, daming homeless guys. So. Guys, yan na po yung Walk of Fame. Yan.
So ano, magpa-park ba tayo or what? I think this is the whole area of Walk of Fame.
Then that
Ano,
means
Hollywood
you didn't matter with
Plaza.
you.
Ano, do you wanna stay? What do you wanna do?
Gusto mo mag-picture lang ng mabilisan para hindi na tayo magpa-park?
I know.
As in, may bababa lang na 2, 3.
Gusto niyo ba maglakad?
O, ayoko na.
Paano ba?
Parang nawala na ako ng ganang maglakad. Siguro sa Hollywood sign na lang ako.
Hollywood sign?
Oo. At least nakita na natin, natantosan na natin. We don't need pictures anyway.
We got the video.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah.
Okay ka na?
Okay, picture niyo kung gusto mo.
Oops.
Gusto mo yung picture ka?
Ang dali.
Isang picture lang ng...
Kay Percipate na lang ako.